Hey friends, this is CC. Welcome to Hobby Hands. In this vlog, we'll do a build video of the Platz 1/72nd scale MQ-1A Predator. As you can see, I've actually started building the kit already. So you can see that most of it is assembled and we are about to paint. The two fuselage halves came as a top and bottom half, and you can put it together. You can see that there's hardly any seam lines. The wing got attached in between the two fuselage halves, while the tail wing was actually part of the bottom half. I've attached a lot of the small parts as well. Each of the parts actually had recessed panel lines, but to make the panel lines a bit deeper, I ran a scriber once or twice over all of the lines. When we put a wash into the panel line, you will see the panel lines start to jump up. And we also need to paint all these tiny parts like the landing gear, the wheels, the pylons. With the smaller parts, I might just hand paint them. For the body parts, I'll use an airbrush. The missiles, the wheels. Another Hellfire missile. It's a propeller. I'll spray the propeller because it's in the same color as the fuselage. This is all the antenna. Here we go. I've started hand painting some of the smaller parts here in a sort of very dark grey color. The instructions call for black, but I use a dark grey. In the meantime, I'm going to start airbrushing the fuselage and the body parts. Okay, now we've got the fuselage base color all done. Next step that I'll do with the fuselage is to coat it with clear gloss, maybe 1 or 2 coats, which helps the decals stick better to the surfaces. Let's put on that clear gloss now. Okay, now that all the painting's done, I'm going to start putting on the decals. Out of the 5 versions, I've chosen that one because of a bit of more color there. So let's start putting the decals on. I normally use a bit of decal softener as well, just to help the decals conform better to surfaces. As you can see, all the decals are now already on the aircraft, and they've all dried up. So the next step that I normally would do is to give all the whole aircraft another coat or two of clear gloss, after which we'll put some wash to get the panel lines out. So there we go, this is the clear gloss that I'm putting on. As you can see, the gloss coat has been completed, so the decals would pretty much be sealed onto the surfaces. Next step we're going to do is wash. With the light colored grey surfaces, I'm going to use a dark colored wash. I just go direct from the bottle. As you can see, the panel lines start standing out already. Right, there you go. As you can see, the wash has now dried up. So what I'll do is just clean up all the bits that have gone over. And what I normally do is just use some cotton buds with a bit of thinner. Okay, so you can see all the panel lines have been cleaned up. All the bits of wash that have come out from, have overflowed from the panel lines have been wiped off. I've also painted in bits of details like the landing gear bays. So what I'll do now is I'm going to give the whole model a coating of flat clear. Spray that flat clear now. Okay, we've done all with all the painting now. The flat clear has gone on nicely. So it's got a very flat finish right now. So it's time to put together all the bits and pieces, like the missiles and the landing gear. And we're about done. The model is now all complete. Everything's gone on except for the propeller. Just about to do that now. It's just a snap-on. Which allows you to turn the propeller when it's all done. See, the propeller can now turn as well. Pretty much done. Well, hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe to my channel and give me a like. Hope to see you the next time. Thanks very much for watching.